Greetings to all, I am Akshat Patel and in this video I will present the MATLAB Simulink model which we have created for designing closed loop control of BLDC hub motor. While designing the closed loop control of BLDC hub motor, one of the major challenges is to find electrical and mechanical parameters. So as to find those parameters, we have designed following lab experiment setup in our lab, which consists of BLDC hub motor rotating in open loop, which includes MOSFET driver circuit, electronic controller, Hall effect sensors and brake drum arrangement. Hall effect sensors are present in the BLDC hub motor which provide the position of the rotor. The speed of the BLDC hub motor can be increased or decreased based upon the requirements by using the electronic circuit. So using brake drum arrangement, the BLDC hub motor parameters are derived and calculated. Also using this setup, back EMF voltage and phase current waveforms can be obtained, which can be observed in the video on the oscilloscope. The experimental setup is controlled by using the PIC, peripheral interface controller. Hall sensor signals are input to the controller which generates the PWM pulses through which the commutation sequence is obtained. On completion of each cycle, the PIC controller generates 6 PWM signals which are input to the MOSFET driver IC. So using this setup, we found these parameters which were further used to design mathematical and physical model. Following is a mathematical model which we have designed in MATLAB Simulink. To design the speed control of this mathematical model, we have used PID logic, and to tune this PID, we use genetic algorithm. So genetic algorithm was used to minimize these two cost functions. First cost function was LQR cost function, which is used to minimize steady state error and controller effort. The second cost function was used to minimize steady state error and rise time. This is the physical model which provides better estimate of the real world situation, as it also has different components like buck converter, commutation logic, 3-phase inverter which are present in any BLDC motor used in real world application. So as to confirm the similarities between simulation and actual motor, we found out back EMF profile from both the motors and compared them. The obtained EMF profile had an exact match which confirmed that this model can be used to design the closed loop control of the motor. So as to design the speed control, we used 4 methods. 2 of them were PID with constants obtained from genetic algorithm. 1 was used with PID constant obtained using conventional methods, and the last one was using fuzzy logic constants determined using fuzzy logic in real time. So after finding these, after finding the output from each of these algorithms, we compared the output as shown over here. To test the robustness of each of the method, we provided a sudden load torque at 1 second, and then we compiled the data and use 4 criteria to rank these algorithms. So this was a table compiled using those 4 criteria, and ranking was done. After the final ranking was done, we concluded that fuzzy logic was best in each and every criteria. Normal PID and genetic algorithm using LQR cost function had similar kind of behavior, and the PID constants obtained from genetic algorithm with second cost functions showed the least optimal result out of them. So hence it can be concluded that fuzzy logic is the best algorithm which we can use in the real world applications where the robustness is required. Fuzzy logic is also most optimum method because due to its adaptive nature in different situations, and also it can handle different situation and variations in applications like ours, like e-tricycle. Future work will include the testing on these real world hardware and hence complete the final testing of e-tricycle on the field. So in this study, we presented methodology to design robust controller of motor right from parameter estimation. Thank you.